A line chart will give us the comparison through a different timeline, that how our values went from one point of time to another point of time. So in line chart we have x-axis, we have y-axis. In x-axis we will put our timeline column for whichever timeline we want to see the values, and in y-axis we will put our measure column, that is value column, the values which we want to compare. That will put in the y-axis. Then secondary y-axis is suppose if you want to depict another value also along with the single value, so that another value you can depict through secondary y-axis, and secondary y-axis what it will do, it will create another y-axis, and the line of that value will be plotted on that independent another y-axis. So these both axes will be independent to each other and they will depict the values through the x-axis, common x-axis. So in the x-axis I will put my date column here. When you will put the date column, you will get the hierarchy here of year, quarter, month and day. If you do not want any of these, like if you don't want year, you want quarter, month and day only, then you can cross the year part and you can select quarter, month and day only. Now in y-axis I will put my count of titles. I want to show that how many titles released per day, per month and per quarter. So this I want to depict. So when you will select this, you will see that first it will take the highest hierarchy, that is quarters. Now if you want to deep down it to month, so what you can do, just expand it to one level through this option. This is the hierarchy level option through which you can change the hierarchy from top to low, bottom and from bottom to top. So here you want to expand it down one level to month level. So you will click on this arrow and it will be dragged down to month level. So now here you will see division as per months, and below to that you will also see the quarters also. We will also see the use of secondary y-axis. So secondary y-axis is another value if you want to depict here in this line chart. So the another value, suppose I want to see, is of duration minutes. So I will put duration minutes into secondary y-axis. Now duration is in sum, so its value is totally different to count of titles. As you can see, this is the count of title y-axis, which is where highest value is 700, and this is the sum of duration minutes where highest value is 50k. So this is the secondary y-axis. The secondary y-axis and primary y-axis are both independent to each other and they are depicted on a common x-axis.